Okay, so first off, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you do, again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions. I gave you a call, I don't know, October 25th. You did give me an email, but you said at the time you weren't looking for SEO. So I was kind of getting the feeling maybe you've been burned, promised something didn't happen, frustrated. And so I figured I'd reach out here and send this to you anyway and give you a little explanation, maybe some help to better understand what's going on. I don't know who burned you before. I can promise you that that's not me and that's not what I'm about. And so, with that, I just kind of want to skip through this a little bit and show you what's going on. So, maybe this will sound redundant from what you were told, and maybe you can follow, but I'll try to explain things a little bit differently. So, you definitely need content, backlinks, and citations. And of course, I'm sure you understand that this right here, anytime you type into the Google search bar, you're typing in keywords, and Google uses that to find websites that best fit search criteria for what's being typed in, with websites with the right content and the keywords going into it. SEO, search engine optimization. You know that Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords and what is the best fit for the search criteria, and then categorizes these websites based on their content. And that is how you establish rank. Now, I know your website is here. Now, you want at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords that are needed. And so, out of Fayetteville, obviously Tree Service Fayetteville. And so, you know that this is the map pack. How to get ranked in the map pack is through your Google Business Profile and citations, exactly as your Google Business Profile. Citations are exactly name, address, and phone number, and how it relates to your Google Business Profile and the area that you set up for coverage, how far you want to stretch out, what areas you want to cover. There's a lot of exposure that can come from this. A lot of people use this for searches near me, tree service near me, food near me, whatever it may be. You want your business Google Business Profile connected to the citations, directories like Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages is how that's established, and this is how you rank here. Again, underneath the map pack, this is all organic ranking. I'm sure this is probably familiar. And ranking here organically is based on your content, your backlinks, and your keywords. So I wanted to take a few examples. I wanted to show you. So obviously we do have your website, and I have a tool that I can plug in, and I can see what's going on behind closed doors. The tool I have is Ahrefs. It shows me the backlinks, the domains connected to you from the backlinks, the keywords that are being used, and the traffic per month that you're getting. Now, backlinks are not created equal. Again, a backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from them. This builds trust, it creates popularity. Google likes that. It is a major factor in ranking. Again, not all backlinks are created equal. You want a strong domain rank and you want to see some traffic coming through. You don't necessarily want a pizza shop or an ice cream shop down the road linking back to you. It won't have as much weight and as much power as another tree shop or similar service that you are offering linking back to you. Now, also, let's see, before I lose track, keywords. The amount of keywords you have in here would be relevant to what's being searched, and then the traffic volume that you're getting from that. Now, obviously, you understand Tree Service Fayetteville, North Carolina gets searched 200 times per month. That particular keyword, when it's punched into here, is what's going on with that. We have Commando, Com 80, tree removal Fayetteville, 150, tree removal Fayetteville, 50, Fayetteville tree service 60. So, I mean, you understand keywords and how that works. Now, I wanted to show a competitor, so I went with American Tree and Stump, and I wanted to show you that he is not in a home advisor or not in some kind of tree service in Fayetteville. It's not in an Angie. So his particular site is ranking here organically at number 6, American Tree and Stump. Now, he does not have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, but he does have a lot of service areas and services, and this is going to play a factor. So he has 117 keywords, and that's generating 70 views a month. And he does have 187 backlinks. All of the backlinks he has, you can have. He's got 187, you want 220. It's just that simple. He does have some dead ones. Not all backlinks are created equal. These aren't doing anything for him. Low rank, low traffic. But he does have keywords that are bringing in a good play for him. He does have 36 domains referenced from these 87 backlinks. So if you got 117 keywords, you want 200. American Tree is coming in at 1,000 times a month. Tree stump removal, 13,000 times a month that this is coming in. And this is also probably relevant to his service area as well. All American Tree Service, 600 American trees again. So he's got some pretty tree removal service, Raleigh, tree service, Raleigh, North Carolina. So I'm sure that you understand that. It would be very easy for you to just do a revamp on your site, a content rewrite, if you were looking to increase business or increase your traffic. Again, I believe that he was number 6. So it wouldn't be hard to beat him, push him out of the way, or put you right up here, revamp your Google business profile and change your service area, correct your citations. And you've probably been burned by somebody, and that's why you're upset with it or promised something that didn't happen. So I wanted to give you a little bit of insight as to how that works. When you bring these things together, I'm sure, as you know, you can create a lot of value. The map will generate a lot of local traffic. A lot of exposure comes with the content and the keyword, and exposure turns into leads, and leads become more sales. I hope that you find this helpful or useful. I'm sorry I'm running into 7 minutes now. I'm usually keeping it a little shorter than that, but I wanted to take the time to explain a little bit, and maybe there's something in here you didn't know, or how this works. And not everything is equal. You really need to focus on the strong points. So, and all that is completely obtainable. I just think you've probably been done wrong in the past. So, with that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time. And again, if there was anything that you wanted to look at, feel free to reach out. We could look at realistic business goals or anything that you wanted to do. It doesn't have to be monthly SEO. It could be just a site rebuild to get you up there on the first page, or a revamp on the Google business. That being said, thanks for your time. Have a nice night.